Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport, professional sports smartwatch. The one-piece titanium body is strong and lightweight. Supports Sunto-Sports algorithm, professionally evaluates training results. Independent eSIM communication, dual-frequency 5-star GNSS positioning, supports offline maps and tracking return, taking you into nature and experiencing the fun of outdoor adventure sports. The original 3D supersurface technology successfully solves the airtightness problem of titanium plastic composite materials for diving, bringing excellent waterproof performance. It supports multiple modes such as recreational scuba diving, free diving, and instrument diving up to 40 meters deep. The professional depth gauge and sensor provide important data at a glance, helping you dive to a new depth. Made of aviation-grade titanium alloy, it is lightweight and strong, and looks like new after long-term use. The screen cover and the back shell PPG lens are both equipped with sapphire glass. The triple tough shell and hardcore internal strength show the hardcore aesthetics. Lightweight and strong AMOLED screen, 49 gram is the weight of the watch. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport has 1.43 inches AMOLED display with a 466x466 pixel resolution. The aluminum alloy body and smooth metal buckle are cool as can be and a sight for sore eyes. The peak brightness rises to 2200 nits, so even in the hot sun, the information display is still clear and you can grasp everything at a glance. The upgraded wet screen can prevent accidental touches, effectively improving the accuracy of operation, helping you easily control outdoor sports. The high-precision heart rate monitoring module provides more accurate and stable heart rate monitoring, helping you understand heart rate changes in real time, pay attention to abnormal physical conditions, and safeguard your health. Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport is equipped with a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, and it will warn the user when abnormal fluctuations are found. The device is also capable of tracking sleep, stress, etc. Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport supports for more than 150 workout modes, along with customized exercise plans. From rock climbing and mountaineering to cycling and swimming, the watch tracks your progress in detail, so you can see how you're improving. Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport comes with runs on Xiaomi's Hyper OS, works seamlessly with Xiaomi's fitness apps, letting you track progress and view workout data across your Xiaomi wearables and phone. With 32 gigabytes of storage, Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport is powered by 586 mAh battery, with an ultra-long battery life of 15 days in power saver mode, 9 days of typical battery life of eSIM. Follow your route effortlessly with precision dual-frequency GPS only found in high-end fitness trackers. Whether jogging under skyscrapers or hiking in the woods, Watch S4 Sport finds your location lightning fast with optimized antenna placement for a stronger signal. Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport is 5 ATM waterproof, so you can wear it while swimming as well. Without a mobile phone, you can answer calls while running, listen to your favorite music podcasts online, and even quickly call the police for help in extreme situations such as falls and injuries. Put down your phone and make training easier. Got a message on WeChat? Just raise your hand to reply with voice, send emojis, or choose quick replies on WeChat on your watch. You can also preview pictures without having to take out your phone. You can raise your hand to operate at any time. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport supports eSIM, so you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist. Support NFC car key to control the car more freely. Support unlocking and starting Xiaomi SU7 and Lotus Car. Easy-to-use gesture interaction can be operated with one hand, namely flip wrist and shake wrist, and the corresponding functions can be customized freely. It supports rejecting calls, QR code payment, waking up Xiaomi, weather, Bluetooth control of mobile phone photography, and other operations. It has a cool sense of technology and can be felt at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.